Hi guys, this is Stacy from Truly Majestic. I have exciting news for you. I'm giving you free access to my $800, it's actually $7.99, $800 arm knitting course. It is a master arm knitting and design course, so it teaches you how to design arm knitting blankets. So first of all, before we get into that, I have some other freebies for you right at the end of this video and some announcements. So do stick around right till the end so you can pick those up as well. Actually pick that up as well. It is just one thing, but it'll be well worth your time. So first of all, I want to go through the arm knitting course, show you what's in it, and then I will show you how to get free access to it, and then we'll move on to the other things. So if you go to my website, which is in front of you here, trulymajestic.com. Okay, let's just make me a little bit bigger. So if you go to trulymajestic.com and you scroll down a little bit, the first thing you'll see is this Master the Art of Arm Knitting Blankets. And this is the course that you will be getting for free. Originally, it was $7.99. Then, because it is arm knitting season, it is on sale now at the price of $197. But you guys are going to be getting it for free because you are my devoted YouTube followers. Actually, did you know I have about 17,000 views a month from people watching my videos, but only 1% of those are actual subscribers or followers. So first of all, this is the arm knitting course you'll get. It goes into all sorts of things, how to do cables. There's a quick video, you can watch that. I will leave the link to this in the description. And I tell you all the secrets that I had to find out the hard way myself. I tell you everything in this. It teaches you how to do basic blankets, how to do complex blankets, textured blankets, and you guys can read through all this stuff at your own time. How to do color work, and there's a few different ways to do color work, and I tell you when it's best to use one method and not another method, and vice versa. Also, how to make shapes. As you can see, hearts or ovals or squares or rectangles, anything. Those are easy, rectangles and squares, because that's normally what you do anyways with arm knitting blankets. But I tell you how to knit all sorts of different shapes. So, also exclusive cable technique. There is a wrong and a right way to do cables when you're arm knitting because the yarn is so thick. If you arm it the normal way, it just shrinks your blanket and makes it insanely bulky, and it usually looks pretty rough. So I teach you another way to do cables that is light. You can do what you want, and it doesn't add the extra bulk, and it doesn't use up tons of yarn. So also how to do this top design. I don't know what to call it even because I invented it myself. I don't have a name for it. And then you have course curriculum down here. Some of these are PDF files, some of them are videos, and you will be accessing all of this for free. Also, there's a session in here, and I should say this is all broken down into 2 to 5 minute sessions, so it's really easy bite-sized pieces, so anybody can get it. There's also one session in here that teaches you where to go free online to design your blankets, and you can actually print out your design, and it's charted, and it's really nice and neat and simple. So that's that. Here is how you get it. So if you go over to my YouTube channel, let's pop over to YouTube. So, sorry about that. I should have had a window open to begin with. And I'm going to stop this. So if you go over to my YouTube channel and click on, not click on anything, sorry, you can see here I have about 9,000 subscribers, just a little bit over 9,000 subscribers. When I hit 20,000 subscribers, this course will be free in the description of any video that I speak about the course in, which is going to be a lot of videos in the future. I'm going to be publishing at least one every week where I'm telling you about the course and some other goodies. So this is easy to do because I have 17,000 viewers every month, but only 1% are subscribers. And if people comment on my videos, this is an easy way to get word out because YouTube does the work for you and for me. So when you comment on any video more than just 2 lines, 2 words, it has to be like a decent lengthy comment, not really lengthy, a sentence. If you comment on a video, this instantly tells YouTube that this is interesting content, people like to engage in this, and they automatically show it to more people. So this is not just to do with my videos, this is anything you guys comment on. Whether you are fighting with somebody about something on a video or you're leaving a nice comment, it doesn't matter. If YouTube sees that it's a lengthy comment and people are engaging, they automatically show it to more people. So that's one of the easiest ways to help. Another way is to share the video. So you don't need a YouTube account to share this video. You can put it on Facebook, on Pinterest, Twitter. There's like loads of places that you can share this video, and that will help get word out. If you're not a subscriber, you can definitely subscribe. This will help bring the numbers up. And if everybody just shares one of my video or comments on any of my videos, it helps boost my channel up a little bit. And I figure we can get there easily within a few weeks to a month. So this is up to you guys, how much you want this. It depends on how much you share, how much you comment, how much you engage with the content. And Google will do the work, YouTube will do the work. And then as soon as it hits 20,000 subscribers, in the description of this video and any video in the future that I speak about getting the free arm knitting course, you will see a link there that will get you free access, unlimited free access. So that is that. Now on to the next thing. So we're going to pop back over to my website, and I have 2 more announcements actually. So most of you guys don't know me or much about me at all because I just don't like to talk about myself. And I hate being in front of cameras, actually. Most of the time, you'll only see my arms. But I am a homeschool mom, and so I have to put a lot of time into homeschooling and stuff. So I thought it would be helpful if I just put on my channel the things that I found that make homeschooling easier or hacks in the kitchen and things like that. So my YouTube channel is going to be expanding a little bit to covering those things as well. DIY hacks, homeschooling, arm knitting, and kind of more family-oriented content, not just arm knitting. So the next thing is, here's your freebie. I am going to be giving away once a week a paid video tutorial, not just to one person, or 2 or 3, but to anyone who wants it. But there is a catch. It's a treasure hunt. So I will tell you where to look for this, and then it's your job to go find it, grab it, watch it, and that's up to you. So here's how it works. If you go to my website, you can see all the paid patterns. If you hop over to arm knitting and go down to arm knitting courses, this is where I have all my paid video tutorials for making different things. So every week, for 8 weeks, I'm giving away one video tutorial, not just to one person or 2 people or 5 people, but unlimited people. Whoever wants this can have it. But it's a treasure hunt. So here is how it works. This week, actually today, in this video, I'm giving away this puff video tutorial. And these things are great. You can open them up, fill them with stuffed animals, fill them with extra blankets, extra pillows, whatever you want to fill it with, and then cinch it up tight, and it looks beautiful. It can be used as a bean bag or a cup or whatever you want to use it for. So I'm giving away this, and this is where it is. It's hidden away. If you go to my YouTube channel and go to playlists, in this first playlist it says Arm Knitting Blankets. And in the very last video of this playlist is the oldest video, full-length tutorial I've made on making a blanket. So in the description of that video, which is from 2016, in the description of that video is a link to that puff, the full-length puff video tutorial. That is the only place you can get it for free. That puff video tutorial is for sale on my website, but you can get it for free by finding it in that playlist, the oldest video I made in that playlist, and checking out the description. So I hope you take part. This is one of 8 patterns, video tutorial patterns I'm giving away. Definitely share this video, get word out, and look forward to more coming soon. So we're back on my YouTube channel. Just as a quick recap, you get free access to that Master Arm Knitting course. The minute I hit 20,000 subscribers, this is super easy to do because I get a lot of views every month, but people aren't sharing and commenting on my videos. So if you do that, this will massively jump the numbers up. And as soon as I hit 20,000, you get free access in every video I've spoken about if you check the description. Another thing, my video content is changing. I'm going to be putting some homeschool hacks, some more cooking, and as you can see, I already have some cooking there. I filmed like some of these years ago, guys, and I still haven't had a chance to put them there. So I'm editing and putting things there slowly but surely. And the other thing is you get a free video pattern, and I told you where to get that. So I have all sorts of interactions happening now. So I think that's the end of this video, and I will see you again next time. By the way, every Sunday around 9 o'clock p.m. UK time, because I am in the UK, I'm doing a live arm knitting session for roughly 45 minutes to an hour. So every Sunday, 45 minutes to an hour, I'm doing arm knitting. So I would love to see you there, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.